Vigloo app premiere short dramas, discover micro dramas that hit, curated content for you, endless gripping stories, generous daily rewards, track global hit dramas. So yeah, short dramas and movies. I guess this is an app from South Korea. So if you're interested in this kind of content, then you can just try to find it out. So let's open it up. And then here you can see all of the trending stuff. And then you can also see the rewards. You can also get some coins, log in Instagram, watch 30 minutes and earn coins, all kinds of rewards. You can also start membership. And then it's $18 per week, as you can see, and something like that. There are also gift codes which you can redeem. I don't know whether there are these codes, but yeah, that's kind of the app.